Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Filer, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of movers will help you get the services you need, including the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's a big deal when you relocate to a new state or across the country. A long-distance move can become rather worrisome quickly. Everything you own will be in transit, and you need the right team to make sure it arrives on time. Let us help you get the most out of your move. An Idaho moving company might not seem necessary for a local move. However, it's a large amount of work even if you're just moving one neighborhood over. Do you really want to handle all the packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking yourself? Professional movers such as 3 men and a truck can make your local move simple. We streamline the entire process to help you arrive faster and with more energy. If your move will take you all week to get done, we can handle it in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Filer Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.